Welcome back to online learning. Our topic today is comparison or contrast paragraphs. In this video, you are going to be introduced the definition, the organization, and the practice of this type of paragraph. In terms of definition, comparison means writing about the similarities, and contrast is writing about the differences. Actually, you can write about both of them, comparison and contrast. In other words, similarities and differences within the paragraph. Moving on to the organization, there are actually three parts. The first one is topic sentence. In the topic sentence, you require to name the topic, which are two subjects that you're comparing or contrasting. Don't forget to indicate the controlling ideas, similarities, differences, or both. For example, to understand 21st century education, let's examine the similarities and differences between the schools of 50 years ago and schools of today. What are the two subjects here? They are modern schools and the old ones. According to the topic sentence, we know that the author is going to write about the similarities and differences simultaneously. Another example is, the Olympics of ancient Greece and the Olympics today have three key differences. So here, in this example, two subjects are the Olympics of ancient Greece and the Olympics today. The author is going to describe the differences only. The second part of a comparison and contrast paragraph is supporting sentences. For the supporting sentences, you can organize them into structures. The first one is point by point, which means you write about similarities and or differences between one main point at a time. To understand more about this type of structure, you can take a look at the sample on LMS. The next structure is block, in which you group all the similarities together in one block and all the differences together in one block. Again, to understand more about this structure, you can take a look at the sample on LMS. Finally is the concluding sentence. In the concluding sentence, you should repeat the topic sentence, restate similarities and differences, give an opinion or recommendation. You can combine all these functions together. I just write one of them. For example, in conclusion, don't forget the signal. After students weigh the differences in quality and cost, they may decide to choose a smaller, less expensive college that nevertheless has high academic standards. Or, to sum up, the ancient Olympics and the modern Olympics differ in their purpose, participants, and events. For the practice, please take a look at the sample, take a look at the signals, do the practice, and thank you so much for your listening.